This is the watermelon Mediterranean summer salad. My friend was really hungry and I decided to buy her organic food and make her a watermelon salad from scratch. Don't buy genetically modified watermelon and make sure you get the one with seeds. This is seriously so nutritious and delicious. Get your watermelon and leave the seeds in. Then slice it into cubes and place them on your salad platter. Then you're going to get some capsicum. Now, you could also use cherry tomatoes, but they're high in histamine, so we went for this one. And
Food that's prepared for me.
yep, she got a bit excited in the background. Some goat's feta and some pepitas, which actually kill parasites. So I sprinkled those on with some fresh olive oil as well, and a really good sprinkling of quality sea salt. It's time to taste. Okay, you get in. Gotcha. Hang on. Here we go. Taking a little bit of basil, some goat's cheese, and
An olive.
all the olives.
God.
Yeah. Mmm. Oh my God, juicy, refreshing,
Delicious.
and fragrant. Order this book on andylou.com.